Confirmations have been enhanced in AX09, but the process for sending them is virtually unchanged. You'll find the confirmation button a little higher in the upper right-hand corner, and when you click on it, you'll see that your choices are either the standard confirmation or the confirmation with art details, because those art details are the only difference between the two versions. I'm going to click on standard confirmation, which immediately opens up a PDF version of that order, and you'll notice immediately that the confirmation now includes a thumbnail graphic of every piece of art, assuming that we have a graphic embedded in our database for that art. To send the confirmation, simply click on the printer icon in the upper left-hand corner, and then immediately change the Send To configuration to Email Recipient, change the message format to PDF, and then ignore the fields for To, carbon copy, and subject, and instead immediately click on the OK button in the lower right-hand corner, which will open up your personal Ouray Outlook account, at which point you can wipe out the enter name here and put in the name of whatever address you want. And if you've entered the address before, you'll notice it auto-fills for you. Put a subject in, and then wipe out the words Exapta Report and replace them with a professional message to your customer. Message finished. Simply click on Send. Deal with the spell check as you see fit. And your confirmation is on its way.